Welcome to today's video on all things you should know.
In today's video we will uncover more about XRP, historically.
Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Ripple XRP stands as a prominent cryptocurrency globally, and intriguing one at that. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major players, it doesn't promote itself through decentralization. Instead, this cryptocurrency is closely affiliated with numerous banks, investment firms, and worldwide organizations. This might appear counterproductive considering that many traders view the primary allure of cryptocurrencies as their independence from external corporate influence. Nevertheless, experts in the cryptocurrency field are increasingly suggesting that this association could be the linchpin of Ripple's success. How has the price of Ripple changed over time? It's wrong to check XRP price predictions without looking back at recent and not-so-recent events. The SEC situation made that even more precise. The Ripple price today on the 8th of August 2023 is $0.62470. Looking at the full price chart below, you can see how the price of XRP changed over the years. XRP was stable from its launch in 2013 until early 2017, when the sideway movement ended. By the end of 2017, its price skyrocketed by 35,000%. This success occurred as Ripple managed to achieve a threshold of 100 banks worldwide that signed on to RippleNet. On January 4, 2018, the XRP USD rate reached an all-time high. However, it couldn't sustain those levels, and it subsequently dropped by 76% within 1 month. The plummet was caused by fears of new regulations on the Asian markets. This factor affected not only XRP but also other cryptos. In 2018, the total market cap for cryptocurrencies declined by around 43%. Towards the end of 2020, the company confronted a legal battle with the SEC that jeopardized Ripple's future. XRP boasts high volatility. In 2021, it underwent significant price swings. While the price remained relatively steady until April, it surged by more than 240% within just 2 weeks into that month. Bulls endeavored to maintain the high price, yet pessimistic market sentiment dragged down the rate, causing XRP's value to plummet by about 70% from May 18 to July 20. The rate once again saw an upsurge from July to September, with the price rising by over 167% within 2 months. However, a new downward trend commenced in November and remains in effect as of February 2022. The considerable volatility largely stemmed from developments in the SEC lawsuit. Although hiding volatility does present a potential for increased profits, it also entails substantial risks. Nonetheless, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, perceives progress despite the sluggish pace of legal proceedings and anticipates the lawsuit's resolution this year. Nonetheless, this is merely an expectation and not a concluded matter. Crafting a prediction for Ripple's price proves to be a challenge for both experts and everyday investors alike. Do analysts foresee a similar outcome? What direction will the price take? Why does Ripple's value experience fluctuations? To what extent will Ripple's value ascend? Let's delve into these inquiries. What is Ripple crypto in the history of XRP and video? Ripple or XRP, are these terms synonymous or distinct? For newcomers to the cryptocurrency sphere, such queries might surface. Thus, we shall initiate our price guide by elucidating fundamental terminology. This will enable you to differentiate between Ripple's offerings. To put it succinctly, Ripple is an entity that furnishes a payment protocol, analogous to a payment system, money transfer network, and currency exchange. The protocol operates with digital currencies, fiat money, and commodities. XRP constitutes the internal coin of this protocol. For a more comprehensive grasp of the Ripple subject matter, refer to the subsequent definitions. XRP or Ripple is a cryptocurrency propelled by RippleNet. Financial institutions deploy this coin to facilitate swift transactions with minimal fees. RippleNet embodies a payment platform, built upon the distributed ledger database of XRP Ledger.
Ripple administers this digital platform.
Ripple Net Cloud is harnessed for seamless payment processing through unified integration, employing a shared Ripple payment object among RippleNet's clientele. This enhances friction reduction and heightens standardization when scaling becomes feasible. Regarding the XRP ledger, it's an open-source structure grounded in a ledger database, distinct from blockchain. Ripple achieved its all-time peak price of $3.84 USD on January 4, 2018. CoinMarketCap. A brief primer on Ripple XRP in video. The inception of Ripple was heralded by Ryan Fugger in 2004. Nevertheless, the true chronicle of the protocol commenced in 2012, when McCaleb and Larson assumed its reins. At that juncture, it was dubbed OpenCoin, rather than Ripple. Initially incubated as a startup venture in San Francisco, this blockchain-esque payment system was conceived as a complementary alternative to conventional bank transfers, rather than a direct adversary. Its popularity amongst financial institutions surged rapidly, and the company soon unveiled endorsements from leading banks. This outcome was anticipated, given the system's capacity to enable cost-effective, swift transfers spanning the globe. Banks leverage this protocol to facilitate cross-border transfers in real time using the xCurrent software solution. Concurrently, Ripple XRP is available for investment and trading. Traders can engage in transactions involving this cryptocurrency via exchanges or through brokerage services. For several years, the company has fostered connections at the highest echelons of political and financial spheres, exemplified by institutions such as the World Bank, the European Central Bank, ECB, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Economic Forum. Bestowed with glowing endorsements from multifarious quarters, and substantiated from all conceivable angles, what could possibly go awry? And thus, we arrive at the juncture of paramount importance that continues to reverberate through Ripple's trajectory. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, the watchdog of the American stock market, has engaged in a legal confrontation with blockchain company Ripple Inc. within a court of law. This litigation encompasses not only the firm itself but also its two leading figures, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and founder Christian Larson. Navigating the regulatory landscape in the U.S. is formidable. The SEC's accusation pertains to the sale of unregistered securities totaling $1.3 billion in 2013. This protracted legal saga has cast a shadow over Ripple's proceedings for a duration that seems interminable. Ripple has consistently asserted that its digital currency constitutes a form of currency as opposed to a security, which would otherwise necessitate compliance with an array of disparate regulations under American law. The apparent inclination of the U.S. to potentially undermine a lucrative entity has baffled many observers. In a mere span of 2 days, spanning December 22 to 23, 2020, the XRP rate plummeted from approximately 50 cents to slightly under 30 cents. This precipitous decline in standing saw the coin slip from its position as the third most significant cryptocurrency to fourth place, trailing behind the stablecoin Tether. Thank you for watching.